Hey guys, this is Lars Pearson with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and we're standing on our brand new 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. Right now I'm standing on the swim platform. So walk through the transom. There's an area for your batteries. Got a nice sun pad right here. Now as I step upside here in the cockpit, we got our Infinity woven vinyl flooring. Got plenty of seating for family and friends. The seat actually converts as well. Got a nice bimini top for shade. Here at our home, we got our gauges, got our Fusion stereo, tilt steering wheel, got a lockable glove box on this side. In the bow, we got room for a couple people when you're running or hanging out. A couple more speakers up here. And under these seats, you got some storage. As well as under most of your seats back here, you got storage too. And you have your windshield here too that closes, gets you out of the wind a little bit. Again guys, this is Lars Pearson, MarineMax here in Ship Bottom, New Jersey. If you have a question about this boat or any other boat we have here, give us a call at 609-207-3325. Thank you.